Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing common issues by factory resetting the Intex Smart TV. Place the Intex Smart TV remote on a flat surface and make sure the Intex Smart TV is powered on. If the Intex Smart TV is frozen, unplug the power cable from the Intex Smart TV first. Wait 30 seconds before reconnecting power to the Intex Smart TV. Plug the power cable firmly back into the Intex Smart TV power port. Turn on the Intex Smart TV using the Intex Smart TV remote power button. Press the menu button on the Intex Smart TV remote. Navigate to settings on the Intex Smart TV using the arrow keys. Select System Settings from the Intex Smart TV menu. Scroll down carefully on the Intex Smart TV until you find Reset options. Choose Factory Reset on the Intex Smart TV screen. If prompted, enter the default Intex Smart TV pin using the remote. Confirm the Factory Reset option on the Intex Smart TV display. Allow the Intex Smart TV to begin the reset process automatically. Do not unplug the Intex Smart TV while the reset is in progress. Watch the Intex Smart TV restart during the factory reset process. If the Intex Smart TV has no remote response, locate the physical buttons. Press and hold the power button on the Intex Smart TV panel. While holding power, plug the Intex Smart TV back into the outlet. Keep holding the power button until the Intex Smart TV logo appears. Release the button once the Intex Smart TV recovery screen loads. Use the volume buttons on the Intex Smart TV to navigate options. Select Factory Reset from the Intex Smart TV recovery menu. Confirm the reset selection on the Intex Smart TV screen. Wait patiently while the Intex Smart TV clears old data. The Intex Smart TV will reboot automatically after reset. When the welcome screen appears, the Intex Smart TV reset is complete. Select your language on the Intex Smart TV setup screen. Connect the Intex Smart TV to your Wi-Fi network. Sign in again to apps on the Intex Smart TV if required. Check system speed to confirm the Intex Smart TV is running smoothly. Open settings to verify the Intex Smart TV software version. Update firmware if the Intex Smart TV requests an update. Test sound output on the Intex Smart TV speakers. Check picture clarity on the Intex Smart TV display. Open apps to confirm the Intex Smart TV is no longer lagging. Navigate menus to ensure the Intex Smart TV remote responds properly. If issues persist, repeat the factory reset on the Intex Smart TV once more. Avoid unplugging the Intex Smart TV during normal operation. Keep the Intex Smart TV software updated regularly. Clean HDMI and USB ports on the Intex Smart TV gently. Ensure stable power supply for the Intex Smart TV. Restart the Intex Smart TV weekly for better performance. This method fixes most software glitches on Intex Smart TV. Factory reset also removes app crashes on Intex Smart TV. Slow response issues are commonly fixed on Intex Smart TV this way. You can now enjoy smooth performance on your Intex Smart TV. Thanks for watching this Intex Smart TV fix on Tech Vibes. Like the video if this Intex Smart TV guide helped you. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more Intex Smart TV troubleshooting guides.